Hello guys, in today's video we are going to see how can we find factorial of any number in C programming by using for loop. So first step is what is meant by the factorial of a number. So consider if we take a number as a 5, so 0 to 5 between between 0 to 5 whatever number is present, the multiplication of all the number is called as the factorial of a number. So here bet between 0 to 5 how many numbers are present? 4, 3, 2, 1 and 5. So the factorial of a number is 120. Now see how we implement this logic into the program. So for this we will take three variable int I comma number comma factorial equal to we will consider as 1, then semicolon. In next step we will use printf function so that it will tell user to enter a number. Printf in bracket double quote enter a number, then semicolon. After that we will use scanf function to read the value entered by the user. Scanf in double quote percent %d. Here we will use percentage %d because we have taken integer number, then comma address of number, then semicolon. Now we will use for loop. Inside for loop we will I equal to take 1, then semicolon I is less than equal to n, then semicolon, then I will be incremented, so I plus plus. Then inside for loop we will take curly bracket, then inside curly bracket we will use formula factorial equal to factorial into I semicolon into the factorial of a number percentage d is percentage d comma number comma factorial. Then we will use return 0 and 0 semicolon control s. Now see what will happen here. It will check I equal to 1. 1 is less than equal to number the enter by the user. Suppose we have enter a 5 number, so I is less than equal to 5. Yes, so I is less than equal to 5. Yes, so here the next block will execute and what will come? Factorial equal to equal to 1 into, here I we have considered I equal to 1, so I into 1 into 1 equal to 1. So the new value of factorial is 1. In next block I will be incremented as 2. Here first step I equal to 1. Now it will increment here as a 2, so 2 is less than equal to 5. Yes, in next block this block will execute. Now here is the output is factorial equal to 1 into I is incremented as 2, so 1 into 2 equal to 2. Now in third step I will be incremented as 3 and it will check the condition 3 is less than equal to 5. Yes, so this block will execute again. Now fact factorial equal to, now the value of factorial is 2, so 2 into the I will be incremented to the 3, So it will become 6. After that, again the value of I will be incremented to 4. So here the 4 is, it will check this condition, 4 is less than equal to number, yes, 4 is less than equal to 5. So here the block will execute. So here the value of factorial is come 6 into the incremented value of I is 4, equal to 6 into 4 is 24. In next block I will be incremented to 5. So 5 is less than equal to 5, yes, this condition will true, so this block will again executed. Then factorial equal to 24, this is the new value of factorial, 24 into 5 equal to 120. So after that 5 value will be incremented to 6, but the condition become false, become 6 is less than 5 or equal to 5. So this condition become the false, and this block will not executed. So see the result. Now we will run this program. So see here, it will ask us a number. So we will print here 9, enter here 9. So the factorial of 9 is 362880. Now we will run this program again. Now see, the factorial of number 5 is 120. So this is all about the factorial of a number in a C programming by using for loop. We will also find the factorial of a number by using a for loop from here, and here assign the I equal to 1, and here use while in bracket I is less than or equal to n. Then save this program, then run. I is less than equal to number, then save this program and run. So here it will ask us a number. So see here we have entered 5. So here we will increment I plus plus semicolon control S, then control B. So it will ask us enter a number 5. So here is the output of factorial